Okay, we got ICP here. Not doing a whole lot. Very bearish, way below this moving average. So we have that going for us. I marked this out. I want it to break this zone and retest. Has not done yet. But I can see some other things happening here. So delete these. And then I would consider a position here, just because it is respecting these wicks. You can see price came down, rejected, finally broke. Now it's coming back up again and rejecting. It's the fourth day in a row rejecting this area here. So something like this is possible. We just have to see if the price action aligns properly. I like that. I mean, it's not really like it is bearish. It's way below this moving average, but it's really just been ranging, you know, between 4.45 and like 4 even kind of thing. So you can see there's a little bit of a trend this way. You can see these wicks are getting higher and higher, or not as low, I guess you could say. Like this one's way lower than this one's lower than this one, but it isn't really making higher highs this way. So it's kind of a bit of a flag formation happening, which means it's going to break out one of two ways, either down or up. I'd be more inclined to go down just because you know, you look at this overall, there's more bear momentum than there is bull. And again, being below this moving average, I just see it overall being bearish, which means you're going to look for a short position. So I would still target exactly what we have marked here, this 3.6 area, kind of this big area here. We can actually shrink this up a bit. I would just look for this little area here to target. I think it's super reasonable. As far as an entry, I mean, now might be pretty good. If we look at this here, so this is actually really good as well. So you got your higher highs, but then structure switches. So now from here you have lower highs and lower lows. So you got this one, this was your high, came down, came back up. Now this is your new high, which is lower. You can see a bunch, you know, these three nice wicks here. You can see this moving average is holding price, and then this recent 4-hour candle came up and rejected this moving average and this zone, and is now headed down. We got another 50 minutes left, but I do think this is a good entry, and I think it's a good entry now. I think you could even shrink your stop loss a little bit, keep it above the zone still, but I think you're good to go for this short position. You can see this candle, this daily candle, is becoming very engulfing after yesterday's previous huge wick. So I think that is it's a very good sign right there to, you know, take a short position and then just hold it, and hopefully it breaks this zone, which I think it will. And if it doesn't, if it hits this zone and gets all caught up and decides it still wants to be flat, because again, remember, this is ranging, it's going from this zone to this zone and has back and forth, so it could come back down to this zone and then shoot back up. So be mindful of that. But I mean, yeah, I would say this is a great short right now, so I'm going to mark this one as well. I'll probably take it after here. So yeah, ICP, great short right at 412 or 411, even right now at 408, totally fine. Anything above 412 is great into this zone, super nice supply area. So yeah, I think that's an excellent short position. I think all the moving averages all line up. You can see prices breaking below this 1-hour moving average as well, so that should hold it too, to really, you know, signify that we're good to go for this short position. So that is ICP. I think it's a great short now, and you can hold it till 3.6. Be good to go.